What's up, guys? So we're back in the garage, and I just wanted to get some better shots of the water injection layout on my 86 944 Turbo. Some of you guys have been asking about how it fits in a wheel well, stuff like that. So I put some lights down here so we can see it a little bit better. And here is the pump. It clears. It's super close to the fender, but it clears it. It's above that bracket up there. And this 90-degree fitting, it's going to screw in more. It'll clear this bracket just fine. This whole entire fender bracket I had off the car. It on bolts. I modified it. We drilled some more holes. We mounted the bracket with rubber washers that are supplied from Snow Performance. And so is the bracket onto this plate. And then bolted the plate all up. I had to make a, let me see if I can get a shot in there. Had to make that spacer right there to kind of push the power steering lines a little bit closer to the bumper. Again, clearance, it's still in airflow, so everything should be fine. But it moved those lines out of the way so this pump head at the bottom down here will clear. And I'll get you another shot of that. So the game plan is the tank is going to sit down this way. The line's going to come up through here, connect to this 90. Then bear with me while I climb around here. We got Engine Masters on the TV. If you haven't watched that show, watch it. It's awesome. Just a little drop for Engine Masters. So we go back under the car here. There is that spacer. And back here is the output of the pump. So we're going to go to that output. We're going to come along the bottom side of this fender. And we're going to go in between here all the way across. I'm going to put a sleeve over the water line. And we're going to go all the way across underneath the bumper like that. And we're going to come up on this side of the radiator to the intercooler pipe that is not currently there. Neither is the intake manifold, but if you have this car, you know the deal. We'll come up over there. So it should work out pretty good. The line itself is pretty robust as it is. Let me get that on camera for you. It's hard plastic, I'm sure. Some type of silicone or something like that. I'm not really sure. Some hard plastic stuff. But it's pretty robust, but I want to put a sleeve over it anyways, just in case it rubs on anything I don't want it to wear through. But that's really it, man. That's a better shot of the whole deal. It should fit pretty well, and you could do it to any car. It fits. It's basically right in here on the car. It fits, there's still plenty of flex on this bumper. Nothing's tight, nothing's binding, and that's the way it should be. You shouldn't have any issues with it. But that's it, man. Once I get this rest of this installed, I will have pictures. I'll probably even test it so you guys can see the fine mist that comes out under 3,000 pounds of pressure. And, get it all set up for you. What's up, guys? Just wanted to jump back in our basement shop, go over some stuff. Again, I've been getting a lot of questions. I have a lot of videos where I mention projects, but I haven't completed them all yet. And a lot of times it just comes down to time and money. And I do this on the side. I do it late at night. I got a wife and kids, so, family comes first and my job comes first. But all my projects that I have going on are still in the works. It's been a little bit more difficult right now because material prices have gone up. So when I used to be able to get things CNC made on a fairly decent price and provide it to you guys, it's become a little bit more difficult for that. But I know you guys are still waiting for the carbon fiber boost pipes. We're in the works of that. I got there's actually a lot more that goes into this if you guys decide to Google it. But I got the vacuum bags for this. I still have to get the carbon fiber and the resin and all that stuff. And again, that's been a challenge, just learning how to do this correctly and the supplies are a lot more money than I first expected. So we are in the process of still doing that. We're going to have that done. We'll be able to supply that. The auxiliary thermostat for your turbos. This is a new housing. This is for an 86 944 turbo. This will be CNC made. The old ones are plastic and kind of junky. This is just a 3D printed prototype. I have this in CAD. I have mechanical drawings for it. Again, it's just a matter of getting money together that makes it reasonable for the rest of us to be able to buy it. Same thing with the coolant neck. Got to get CNC company to give me pricing on that. And again, material costs on aluminum is like 200% up. Same thing with the fuel fittings. I know I've gotten a ton of requests for more of these. I'm trying to get together with Monarch Manufacturing, do another run on these things. But again, pricing, it's crazy right now. Materials are going through the roof. But I'm still at it. I don't want you guys to think I gave up on it. I know I get a lot of questions on it, but in due time. Like I said, I do this on my free time, and I do enjoy it, and we're going to keep it that way, but we'll get it done. And I do appreciate you guys. I think we're at 131 subscribers, so that's awesome. Keep at it. Keep watching my videos. Keep sharing my videos, and we'll make this something cool. If any of you guys have any information on like good sites to buy carbon fiber stuff on, it's not super expensive, or even if you run a company and have leftover stuff and want to message me or something, just to get these programs off the ground here and help me out, that'd be awesome. Other than that, guys, we all have our hobbies. Let's keep at it. Let's keep having fun and get the work done. Talk to you later. See ya.